Okay, here we go again then, another run up the Bwlch mountain from Treorchy over towards the Afan Valley. Little drop of Welsh liquid sunshine today, so a slightly different view to the previous films. Hopefully you can still get a gist of the spectacular scenery and the size of the mountains around here. Past a couple of bends on the way up. Mountain in front of us now looks straight over. If you were to go to the top of that, it'd be an Bwlch, and then Glyncorrwg. And when we do the next hairpin bend, we'll be pointing up to the top of the Bwlch, to the crossroads on top of the mountain. A spectacular rain cloud formation there, sitting in the gaps between the mountains. This crossroads that we're coming up to soon is a busy spot in the summer. Often have an ice cream van there, and you see drivers, walkers and bikers stopping for a rest and a break, enjoying the spectacular view and weather sometimes.